Hello, 101.5 FM.
I want to swap on Sima and so Christ as some young Kenny here for you. Sunday, Kumasi Chairman General Kinedred, where Jack Asamuna, our award winning money show Coco Sweden. First transfer from Mena song, Baby, Abushana Yaba, and come out, the more day year. It's saying, Yami had my weekend. Two Ashanti clubs, Kokwano, Diamo, my Ghana, Meche Kumase Asante Kotoko for Champions League, and Ashanti Gold for Confederation Cup, Omunina Asia, Kano Pillars of Nigeria, and Akonangu FC of Equatorial Guinea, respectively. And the Payatna see yet the latest Efi Kotoko, Ashanti Gold, Abubuanina, Ede Ebro, Abra, Yanua Diashie, and no and Nanchans, Sonon Koma Kabi, Osia de Brown, Yadebeba, Essence, African Games, Ashasia, or Morocco Memu. I'm a Ghanaian contingent here. They call you Team Ghana. Yes, we see a kind of 14 different sporting disciplines. Yashas Yadada, I'm a football for Shasian Kudim when I'm paying. Yeah, all the latest updates. And the fact Ghanaian team now, Morocco, no more performance no at the Ebro. I feel a non Ghanaian clubs, Ecosia and Redia, and Mamukodi, the new football status home come on. Osu Presby School Hall. Ekobani say, and I meet he calls Osu Presby School Hall. Enyama so our Cross Sports Stadium na timu poben ana eye clubs ni shia no omokobo ya abra Gaka chairman Ura Kujo Fiano yen invite na amana nkwasa meeting bi no so ni mu hwe ya no pay ye de mu nsem eba efie nsem ne doso papa emu pie ye wie so ebekwa akowie wa amanane na the latest efie amanane ba including transfers ahodo asi ebusa se nema obekọ Barcelona ana onyanko ni no ana pay de ho nsem na aba abra ye ne wadi ahia na
ye kaja gubdi ya hyase mbaba na nsem ne tew na fe ye de afisam no ade ato aso Jadon Shanko na ka clubs ne epi NP no osi akan edema Borussia Dortmund ofri aye England dan ka Manchester United enya bre papa play crowd babontin say Manchester United in Champions League enti on pese obeha no ho abesi akan edema enu ready was sign new contract edema Dortmund say say na watchubia no obeje 190,000 pounds a week in fie mako num contract and was sign edema Dortmund Ole Gunnar Solskjaer say na no juara nyema so between Marcus Rashford and Paul Pogba no na ensem fata say team bobo na team nya penalty we see mebo na fe Pogba ko gire kira no abo no asen no also said we confirm Marcus Rashford and Manchester United penalty taker say ye bo game na Marcus Rashford wo mu ko ade a penalty ba on bebo onim dia ana bia Paul Pogba obenya akonya na wo no so wobo jogging club eno no so ne sem 12 ko chichi komo ama de sem kakra ekotu dwa asem wo kan say obenya na kan contract on Liverpool wo no ewu a nanka wajai coaching kura nya dia nkobe ekochi biem eno so ne sama club e de ekokotu dwa na obeka ya Gary Neville e de sem kakra tu dwa sere ne mesi kono hwa Mohamed Salah obetimi elfe Liverpool na no Salah be yina no Salah se ne ni agi o Liverpool enya dia okoba bia Pep Guardiola and Manchester Como Echo Barcelona Echo warm weather training Pep Guardiola says the Premier League title no emu ayeden intinya dia wo mu Echo babia Sanso and Spain wo mu national team coach meka coach Efren Roberto Moreno ono so say David De Gea say work no case su people say nya dia David De Gea oye first goalkeeper in Spain obi abetimi adabi Kobo Balotelli and so say next month Vincent Kompany oni Man City akabo mo testimonial match also sa match no omo invite no boy Bobby Paris Saint-Germain enra omo reject a first bid Barca dia ko dia fa name ha Barca edi ko san ko mo pende alone na mom nessa mo matia 150 million euros edi afa no Paris Saint-Germain say there be enya de omo ebetiase ye che Ivan Rakitic so Juventus ednachi yo mo pen Dembele ni agent so confirm so so prade na so player no enya de ordinary eche ba bi obetra Barcelona ya on kosi akan ba bi say Chelsea try ye omo players omo prepare Callum Hudson-Odoi ono wa say trainer say Michel Batshuayi enso a trainer say Anthony Rudiger enso a trainer say weekend say Frank Lampard episode issue players mi say na obetimi ayisu omo number boy Chelsea enso etimi return back to winning ways and Champions League players no bi ekoso upon Nicosia wo mo any Ajax game na koye 0-0 eno club I friend CFR Cluj mo ewo Romania tenafie ama Slavia Praha be so make ba ko management last link enso etenafie ma Club Brugge e be so make ba ko management na Dinamo Zagreb wo mo any Rosenborg e be bo 2 0545006111
Okay. Ya so na ya babedi efie nkomadi ana ebusiamoma ya so. The Black Queens of Ghana so aboboano. One tinene a odoma no Mame Mercy Tegokwaku on head coach. The Black Queens of Ghana na Black Queens kokwano nyame adma busumi ye ede September busumi num is answer one crucial Tokyo 2020 Olympic Game qualifier bar. Ghana and Gabon and the airboy any ding our first leg no ya the bekwa so Gabon memu and san and wechi ya the return leg no abashisha so I say and no anam so ama me Mercy Tegokwaku Waton sa Afren Ketesia Diasa Ediomoko Ghanaman Soccer Center of Excellence ha what net romo SCS omo ye e dia twen sa crucial assignment here there ni mi na enwe dia ebowra Ghanaman Soccer Center of Excellence e ko we se na hoboa no esi ko onum a enkra efri Mame Mercy Tegokwaku honum e ba ne chese wo se no kuranie na hoboa na e ko no enko ye papa bia e ko ni nya esan so mamu ase ye mobile na campus ye nuano man etimi abobi o se sanse yemobo wo mamu ase no amama ne ba camp no bebre sabi wo mo ba bia hyehyehye amomu ayedu eti training no ehwo ayede dia mabinom amaje se de o se double on the air force wo se mekete bia kran so saton sa e de from to say Abdullah Mukaraba ana ko hwanim so komi na beba bebo my Ghana no e kama so mi na so no wo mo entimi M90 ama ne preparations enko yie papa emfa mana we gane nsema Mame Mercy Tegokwaku wono so e de atodo awo se Penifo ba keka omo hye na wo mo ayan bibia ntem na ya hye football ase abo wo mamu ai san say ya mo ball a ya hwe ya no mamu bedin e de ama o my Ghana e wo ema football afema we ene nsama efri eye Mame Mercy Tegokwaku Black Queens head coach honom so e de eba afa ye to aso so e de afri honom nom Owura Ricardo da Rocha e Ashanti Gold head coach na Owura Ricardo da Rocha so no ene adi nkomo e de afa Ash Gold ahobo a wo ye na memenda ebei wo mo ene Adokolangi UFC dia bo ani e o CAF Confederation Cup preliminary round second leg counter eba so obo asia bonten so a abo akasi Ashanti Gold e host to Akonangi FC of Equatorial Guinea ye be ka first leg na e so e o Akonangi fie no Ashanti Gold ene wo mo di kobo ani ma Ash Gold e won pampin kokon 1-1 enu achi afei ana return leg na eba so na eno nenam so Emma Enrichi team no buy kofa kan sie de teaching wapomu a wo mo chi Desire Academy eka won kamienu a wo mantimi ansimu adabraka enna team no eco training no yebowura obo ase any coach Darocha Kodin komo na coach nso a won kan say wo hu ne say Ashanti Gold team say the improvement abamu ye pa free say obeso team no sene e yo mo tenene alternate mo no improvement abam nantie ne modern mum osi owogide mapase na yame adma memenda ebe nantie ne de osi ebe yo no matima di Akonangi so nkonim ye no ma qualify at the akọ next round na okasa wie ye no enu aduana no wo ye pause for adwumade no so no yes aka Ashanti Gold wo mo captain say wo top striker Shafiu Mumuni and ebusa say Shafiu anya bia obo na ekọ ne sen e wo bo asia bonten so
Saturday bompai say number adom na etima fa 3 points na fi onako esino jemo jide say preparation ni de gudu pa
unu anu ma ka nyina obi aho ye
pa
Akonangi FC a mukohu omo no oma ho den ne tesei
omo de le won den won bono address ni tum say one or two things do won say kitabo ni dia wetin yen omo pa
okay Shafiu Mumuni ana echiremu se ahoboa ne kodi ye pa e wo boase abonten so anyame adoma memendai wo mu engu Ghana man nyina anima se wo chere se bibia koye no sa say in terms of motivation Dr. Champion yeah Ashanti Gold executive board chairman on any management team wo mo motivate you mo pa
management ni de omutum say omuni akasa se na be wetin ya yere hu na ya get 3 point na fi opponent tum say motivation na omudi mai na eso ni at the same time so training na ya no tum say it's all different thing together the mojire say match ya go boy nyamne pa e be win match experience na do ka experience is the especially you more experience especially your call mo kwa omuni ya fast no it's very bad and I say by all the same no tum say omoye se na be ya able lose concentration no metima e win match no ngo so treatment no money frame ni na nya kwa ba ye da e bitami say e kwa koje point wo home so that's what we say to ourselves na so it is so it nya say 3 point na reba by Ankobanisa near the 1 point by Timojidi say ana mo bane de you prepare ye ni shia mo home ground na me ka ama Ghana mind say amumra number tie ye supporting ye senabe everything ye winning.
Okay. Sheffield Mumini Ashanti Gold player Anabushia Motene can yet to also if you are there. National Sports Authority from Penny for say Nanu Abatobia Cosro Tamalia Bonteso Ghana Athletics Association Ekoto Aba new executives are Eddie Ekone Konanima say Professor Francis Dodu was returning the position say Oya Ghana Athletics Association president no Wamo Nenesi Ekubata Moshe Agudie Hunsem Wamemu say no Wamon Preso Abatono Abato Kanana enti executives na ye let you no enya dia Wamudi Omubuoni Omidi Bia Bebo Wamunimobia na National Sports Authority Pejipa Professor Peter Chumesi and the same way Atuga was say Nukrenie Abato na course no kwa mo fa so to aba no omugiri se Canada wom eto omugi tuma enye ya ye say Ghana Athletics Association womo enkom na biem no mo sanko to aba foforo nya sade a womo National Sports Authority womo ni mobia afem mo yanko local blasters aboboa no womo so ya hoboa na omo so e di ene Burkina Faso at the Abomodene were crucial CHAN qualifying match. Coach Maswakno doing the local blasters and as a blasters team B. Yeah, share him so bet medin kunim amagana. I qualify aqua CHAN tournament TB. Na enumu na enredua team makobo mweka enso so ewon crab until so amusieso e Kumasi kodua me ya. Omu esiesu omu ho omu Kumasi ya. Omu boabu omu de e dey akan e qualify e do mani mo Burkina ba bebo no mo ya so folk. Everybody kufa kesi.
Black Meteors.
I be idea with the confusion me.
I say your chanting. Chanting who some na working. I want to master rehearsal. Black Meteors na tanku. You so Michael say rehearsal.
One mo na house for boy.
Tanku. Meteors has never crack. Voila. And I feel master credit so na chanting work. I also prepare. It's chanting me a chant tournament. Meteors no mo Algeria. And never Tokyo 2020 Olympic Game qualifier. Yo, individuals were crack. Yo, chanting Kumasi.
And a chanting the Okumase, Amo Asha Wase, Ama Yanem coach Maswakno do, Ekodin Kom, Ebusa coach is auto suffer and Nantaneba Campono. I want who is saying.
Things buy no na ajay hotel I ready be I ready nti no e check in they started training but how many sena boys no be ready fi omu teams started training they started physicals na kakra and the class emhwe aye wie no the speed work said be condition wise no on meet my picking time because from weekend they can be start about friendly matches na ya hwe said the team no be si ajay afa they say the any standing team be afa na they build a new one but it's good say about camp ntema yet me start they say no boys na start here more picking kakra him say by the end of the month na every apeke already has for no condition was they okay dreams they are okay other players na also mo catch up they say e bo mo na mo timi catch up with their colleagues and mo teams training dada no is it mo copy up awehwa boy ba ko pena and so cry nye injury bia training na onya knock kakra apart from that no be okay everybody is okay and just that be stamina was stressing be ntini yes said e be ya omu nyina beba to level e be appreciable.
Okay. Coach Maswakunadu and Edin Samutuja from Nantiaba Black Stars team B camp no so far so no see who Markeka esi kwani ebusa coach say oto nsafre players outdo memu say e dey form local Black Stars team B no kotokoni Ashanti Gold players dey enemy so mo so Africa assignment e dey moment Ghana 91 from anya bia dachi bi be from ana.
Yeah, kind of players na wa ha no enyo mu nyina no remember as good players ni ha kotoko players ni ha entino e hwe omo dey are in competition already tinweka say they may be fitter than us now at e pese e hwe say we mu no so condition wise no be duru ba bia omo be ba be kan ho no na level no nyina ya pa na yetimi akon akoyenim because they are also Ghanaians so metimi abeboa ahwe competition no so omo bo na e beboa yen as the Blacks are bia ya started training I think say they took off before us but yes also catch at the time on Bebano, a blended team no na ebeboa na ya ne sa but if he say omo ha nso ye okay na ebe yusu omo and the nyina emre na be kire oh the early month man last 2 years on ba ha be yi free mo no we have the tape there and ne be hwe even though say maybe 1 or 2 players are tutu kwan but I think the technical team is still the same ntino.
Hello sports at Napaka mu yatia Okay, local Blasters head coach Maswa Kunadu Nebusiamote Ninka team no aswe ewo a Georgia Hotel ano mu training ewo Pajo Parker eno work NUST. Ye beto aso de fela aka dia ba kotokonkomo wa ha sei eno meeting ahodo so ekoda ne ntokwaso nsem so eba stay to the
Kumasi Asante Kotokwaso ene yani ekire na Felix Alan captain edema Kumasi Asante Kotokwa say supporters no emesha park ne ma kusiada no omu enya dede ogiri say omu eye dede Kotoko ebetimi ewini sanso so ana yeto aso na yakwe ni no former Kotoko coach Sike Akuno they said the odini nkwi de Emma Ryan Sport and Rwanda na no so atubi e de amane Kotoko we de kwa papa so se Kotoko ogidi se Kotoko betimi a second place kosiada na wayi omo e de omo afrim Kotoko midfielder ono so kopie mu e Esperance ono so na na dom amono so atimi abo the first match mpo aboa ama ne team no omo wini de na so no mo draw ya omo atimi awini trophy ono so abasobo ko ede amandemom eno omo ekopie mu ewo Kumasi omo kopie mu ewo Konfano Chichichi Hospital ekokoya adoye kakra na eno omo ko eno na Jembibi Koka odo agasa ne die mo special assistant to executive chairman Dr. Kwame Iche Nsanzo so ana Christopher Damenya aspiring NCC ono NCC chairman ono so edimu tintima na fe yanga se nyu akara dibu achi ansa say okasama Kumasi Asante Kotoko na no omo kopie mu ho no na kwasi Jembibi Koka nsam all the atujanie
Onu nyina papa nom amu maame nom me Ghana fo ye hwe omo se da chibi no omo so beba benyini na omo anya fa pempa anya nyina sopa na omo so abaye kotokofo ebi beba bebo kotoko amakuo no akonkan eti na samre no emua bia kotoko e wo se de boa bia no e wo se etimi de boa na etimi aboa mankora no so etimi anyini abaye ama ye oman nsa anya samfa so na ye hwe fro omo so no eti na no pe ba ha se edikan kosiada ye si akan kese ye be hia sebi Ghana man nyina matan nyina empire bokese
akese no ye na kwasi Jembibi Koka ono ensam ode atudwa kanaji boachi asa Kotoko kasamafo no so edesam kakra tudwa
then Yankopa if you say well once like this in we sure say Yankopa boy ma 18 million they do pepe so you do now as a football club yes BBC I acquire BBI for corporate social responsibility and then BBI 10 BR and then be free supporters so there is a way that we can also give back to society now yetimi I draw attention to babies like this because these are babies with special needs and as a club we also felt like moving to a big game on Sunday and I just put and say a bit of a donation be say be I didn't share and
Hello Sports at Napaka mu yatia.
Kanadi Buachi ansa ediano no Christopher Damenya aspiring NCC chairman ono so edi sem kakra tuja.
The title ni say Kotoko wako Sunday aye bebobo ana ball nso no ye hia obi bia mpaibo na mejiri say timi eyusu we edi ba bia mamefo na wo ne nkola na kola bi oda ho bi ade ni bebo no ni spiritual word no bebo mpai ama tim na ko se de bedin kunum ana afi nso wiase nso no nyame to nsema wanto nsem se wonko afa ese utimi chichema eso society ni biso enti ne ho anamone etu ye na menu nukra me ye papa me physical sam nso echi
Okay, and you any Christopher Dame Nyadian Yadicha Tokano, Madam Georgina Efasam, on a director of nursing, our Confanochi, on so much actually in Yeno, or the Asida Emma Kotoko Timina.
Regional board management and child directorate and ede na sekesi Emma Kotoko footballers and supporting club and management na oni an pay o mabaya man wa woni director de enye ade a eda form madese na ba anya mu hia nyoma bebre especially with nkwala no nti that person ade am de abechen no ebebo amamefo no bebre nti me gina o man no de na sekesi ede management supporting club any players ni na em say na Canada no enye collaboration ebe continue ebe to aso na the han so abre the patient no any medicine.
Madam Georgina Efasam, director of nursing no Konfano Chichichi Hospital, ana yetene kana Sadiq Adams HSA ono ankasa de akotum asad god fo nyano no for ni enche be fufuro Celestate bobo so no yapa no ho entoma e Sierra Leone eno ensuso eno no.
Hello 101.5 FM